All right, guys. So today's lesson is actually me going to go over this document here. I'm actually going to do an example of each one of those problems, which is actually going to help you do this problem and get a great grade on it. So we're now still talking about tenths. We're talking about whole numbers and tenths as well. Okay. So So let's look at these problems right here. So I'm actually going to do the first one right here. So if you can look here at this one, I see that I have two full things shaded in here. So I know I'm talking about two whole numbers, okay? So I actually see down here two whole numbers, two, two. So I think I might be looking at one of those. Now let's look at the last part of the fraction. I see that I have a picture broken to tenths, and I look like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, four of them shaded in out of the 10. So if I have two whole things and 4 shaded in out of the 10, so that means my fraction would be 2 and 4 tenths. My decimal is the same thing, 2 and 4 tenths. So let's go and look at another one. Let's go look at this one down here because this one might be confusing for you guys. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full ones shaded in, and then at the bottom I just have 6 out of the 10 here. So if you're trying to go find the fraction for this one, you wouldn't see 5 wholes and 6 tenths, right? You don't see that anywhere. But I do still see the answer. This one was tricky. This one left it as an improper fraction. So let's actually count how many total tenths I have here. So if I got 10 here, that's 10. Here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 6 more. So technically this one would be 56 tenths. I don't know why they did that. It's very confusing. But the decimal is still the same thing. I have 5 full and then 6 in the tenths column. So that's this decimal right here, 5 and 6 tenths. Let's look at this one. So this one, I need to put a dot on that number. So I'm actually going to do the one down here. So I need to know what two whole numbers 6 and 1/10 is between. Well, I'm already past 6. And the next whole number is 7, right? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? So 7. Then I have only 1/10. You can see here on the number line, it's broken into tenths. So I just have 6 and 1. So the dot just goes right here. Okay. This one's super easy. You're just filling it in the place value chart, okay? And then writing it out in word form. So this one would be 18. Do not say point, right? We don't say point for that dot. We say the word and. So for this one right here, I would say 18 and 5/10. So when I was writing it out in word form here, I would write 18 and 5/10 because the 5 is in that tenths column. So I say 5/10. Last little column here. It wants you to have each one of them breaking into standard form, which is the decimal, word form, unit form, and a fraction. So I'm actually going to do the one right down here, the 4 and 5/10. So if I was going to write the decimal for that, oops, that's 4, and I got 5 in the tenths column, right? Because the next place value over is called the tenths. So I have 5 in the tenths spot. Word form is what we just said out loud. 4 and 5/10. Uniform, this is a little kind of confusing. Uniform basically means I want to know how many ones and how many tenths do I have. So here I have 4 ones, and then I have 5 tenths. That's it. I got 4 in the ones, and then I got 5 in the tenths. That's it. That's it. Once again, if you are having trouble with this, reach out to me, send me an email, whatever. I would love to help you.